Mamelodi Sundowns could lose to TS Galaxy tonight if they're not careful. Yabona, if Mamelodi Sundowns will approach le game namhlanje with the mindset yokuthi TS Galaxy is a small team, TS Galaxy lost to Kaizer Chiefs, they lost to Orlando Pirates, I'm telling you, TS Galaxy zobabonisa into abangakaze bayibona. And the reason footing issue, so TS Galaxy is one of the few teams in the Betway Premiership kahle kwazi ukuhlupha iMamelodi Sundowns. It's one of the few teams ekwazi ukuthatha iMamelodi Sundowns ibaphi tough time and then give them a run for their money. Sharp. Sundowns yona, it's a very big team, they win important games bayawashaya amagoli nani. Mara namhlanje TS Galaxy could write a different script. This has to be one of the most exciting Betway Premiership or PSL eras with leagues we've ever had. Ayabona kulokhu khona bekucompete wabafethu, and I think this season it's not necessarily a thing of my team have pulled up their socks. I just think it's because Mamelodi Sundowns have been very poor this season. Mamelodi Sundowns have been very poor this season. One might argue ukuthi abafikile kwi-final CAF Champions League, but you look at some ubheka nama-performance wabo man, some nakhona lapha ku-CAF Champions League, ubheka ama-performance wabo naseligini, uyabona man ukuthi Miguel Cardoso is actually struggling lapha ku-Mamelodi Sundowns, eh? Like he's really struggling to put things together for Mamelodi Sundowns. I remember there was a time when the Pirates win about 4-0, 5-0, 6-0. A lot of Mamelodi Sundowns fans would say things such as, we are not after goals, we are after points. Now, kunamhlanje they're after goals. Now, kunamhlanje amatafula jikila pendukile. Bona Mamelodi Sundowns are chasing goals. If Mamelodi Sundowns are to win the league, let's say Mamelodi Sundowns wins vandag, they have to win by a very big margin. And by big margin, ngikhuluma ngabo 5-6-0. Is that even possible? If izokora abo 5-6, TS Galaxy zohlala yenzani? I mean, you look at the game they played against Iswelele FC. Mamelodi Sundowns were supposed to win that game by a big margin. Well, of course they did, 7-4. Mara Iswelele FC buile took the game to them. Ronwen Williams hasn't been himself. Ronwen Williams udropile performance. He's been very poor this season. So he can't help Mamelodi Sundowns. I-injury yaka Ashley Cupido bafethi abakhawata because ukhulumani ndamani siyambona ukuthi fatigued. Ifatigue imenzela umhlolo ukhulumani ndamani. Ushawa ifatigue ukhulumani ndamani uyambona ukuthi ukhathele. And I worry about him because he's one of my favorites waka Lekunja. He's one of my favorites, Hugo Bruce, ukhulumani ndamani. So now the question is, if ufatigued manje ngapha kusane World Cup ezayo, uyodlala kanjani ku World Cup? World Cup. I think it's safe to say at this point ukuthi Orlando Pirates is winning this league. Yes, yesterday I went live ngakhuluma ngasho ngathi mabhakabhaka, let's remain humble. I say this with a lot of humility. I say this with a lot of respect for Mamelodi Sundowns because they've dominated South African football for the past 8 seasons. No one has really challenged them. Chiefs yazama 2020. Other than that, it's been Orlando Pirates ngathi yazama giving them a run for their money. But by this time of the season, Mamelodi Sundowns besiyithathile le league ishiya abantu ngabo 10-13 points, but this season Orlando Pirates iyaba challenger. So I just want to say ukuthi I don't think this is the season where Mamelodi Sundowns can look back and say we dominated South African football. I don't think this is the season where Mamelodi Sundowns can look back and say that we are the kings of South African football. Kule season leni throne yabo ithathiwe. Whether Pirates continues to win the league or not, but ama team afana nabo Swelele, Stellenbosch FC, Polokwane City, Kaizer Chiefs, bayibonisile Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates themselves, bayibonisile Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi bafethu, we are not here to watch you dominate our league anymore. Bahambile bayosign ama player wama 60 million, ama-player ama-30 million, bayosign ama-player South America, kuphi. Nakhu, zabakhalela lama-player. Kuyo le South Africa, where everyone bites South African football, asikho strong, South African football is not competitive. Usaleza akakwazi ukushaya 11 goals in a season in South African football. Marcelo Allende akakwazi ukukora more than 10 goals in a season. Khona la South Africa, ufikile lo Leon wakhona, he's scoring goals, don't get me wrong. Mara ka dominate the way best expect out that dominate ngakhona. Labo Resino bakhona, labo Nuno Santos abayenzi lezi zinto bekumele ukuthi bazenze. Instead abo Ikram Reyners, abo Tasric Matthews, South African born players who are challenging. It just shows you how competitive South African football is. South African football is on a high khona manje. Uyabona ukuthi amachita, they making no mistake. Bayabonakalisa ukuthi bayayifuna ukudlala nabo and they are challenging Mamelodi Sundowns. And then There's something ngifuna ukuyisho. Last time I did a video ngathi iKaizer Chiefs is gonna lose to Sekhukhune United. Unfortunately, Chiefs proved me wrong. They wrote a different script. One thing about me, I give credit where it's due. I don't give credit where you want me to give it. I give credit where it's due. I don't give credit according to ama supporter. I don't give credit according to abantu aba emotional. Abantu ababhekelela ibhola ngama emotion but nabasimamela abakhuluma abafuna ukukhala. Mawufuna ukungizonda, mawufuna ukukhala kwakho namajazi wakho. I give credit where it's due. It was nice to see Kaizer Chiefs play football and not Ikarati. It was nice to see them play football and dominate ETS Galaxy. They dominated that game in every aspect and they won. Mfundo Vilakazi also played well. As much as Ngitimina, he's not ready. I'm saying he's not ready to be a starter for Kaizer Chiefs. He's not ready to be the face of the team. But coming off the bench, Nanan, sharp. Yeah, coming off the bench nanano yaspana umjito akora wenza izinto eziright kumnandi. So yeah, I wanted to congratulate Kaizer Chiefs for their win leana, and I wanted to congratulate them also for finishing third on the log. Finally baya go CAF Champions League, and this time they qualified through league, not winning in Nedbank Cup. They're going there for the second time in a row. So it's a really big achievement for Chiefs, given all the struggles that the team has been through. It's a very big achievement for Kaizer Chiefs. But now that we've spoken about the Mamelodi Sundowns, I just want to talk about the Chiefs, then ngizokhuluma ngePirates futhi. What I want to say about the Chiefs namhlanje is that ngicela nisayina ama-player too for CAF Champions League. Like, please sign players for CAF Champions League. Ngicela ningameli ama-player ukuthi aphelelwe ama-contract then niyabathatha nibaletha ku-Chiefs. Please go sign players for the CAF Champions League. I mean for the CAF Confederations Cup. Please sign players that can play no Maboe. Please sign players that can really challenge those African teams. Sign players that can really challenge Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. Can we see a better Kaizer Chiefs next season? Yabona le improvement this season. Next season, can it be here? Can it be here next season? And question to Kaizer Chiefs supporters, becomplaina batoitoya abantu bayale Naturana Village bafuna ama-coach ahambe. Now that the coaches have qualified for a CAF Confederations Cup and they've secured the number 3 spot for the team, are they keeping them? Are they keeping them now? Are they keeping them now? And by the way, Batubani, it's ngokuphendula Bram because ngiyabona ngathi ufuna attention yami usuyitholileke. PSTDA this be angiphiwe any advice. You are not Kaizer Chiefs, you are a Kaizer Chiefs supporter. You are not Kaizer Chiefs wena. Awuna ne-fiber obapha yona ukuthi bakwazi ukusayina ama-player. So phuma lapha ngikhuluma nawe mina, ngikhuluma nabantu le video kumele ukuthi ifike kubo. Wena bheka indaba zakho nje kuphapha. So Kaizer Chiefs, please sign players. Like, please sign players that will go to CAF Champions League and actually compete for something. CAF Confederations Cup and actually compete for something. Because if the Kaizer Chiefs can really compete and reach finally CAF Confederations Cup, that would be something beautiful for Rama supporter that have been there throughout all of those seasons. Iskhathi Saganabi, Kelvin Johnson, Mulifi Ntseki, yabona ngale nkathi lapho iChiefs mfana bekunzima. Ama supporters still believing in the team. Balwe basithuke masikhuluma izinto. Just do it for these guys. Go and sign players who want to play for the club, players who deserve to play for the club, players who understand what it's like playing under pressure, players who understand what it's like competing at the African continent, aba understand kunjani ukuchallenger for i-league. Ama-players would now adlala ne-Chiefs, ama-players would now adlala ne-Pirates, Sundowns, abangeke baze basabe, players that will take the game to both of these clubs. So please go sign actual players. And there's a pool of players, Betway Premiership, that the Kaizer Chiefs can sign, a pool of players that can improve the situation Lapago Chiefs, a pool of players that can actually play for Kaizer Chiefs, and then Kaizer Chiefs is over right. And ngicela siyeke management, please stop signing ama-player asewaphelelwe ama-contract. There's a reason why ama-team abangabarenewelanga lama-contract wabo. There's a reason why ama-team abareleasile angasabafuni. There's a reason why all of those things happen. Can we go back to the Kaizer Chiefs of old, where we sign players who come and shine? Gule club bayodlala ku national team bahambe baye overseas. I-Chiefs, that's exciting to watch. I-Chiefs leko ukuthi makuyidabi wonke umuntu uyathuka uyaminya ukuthi oNkulunkulu wami isidlala ne-Chiefs kuzoshuba namhlanje kuzokhala induku. I-Chiefs yabo Tshepo Masilela, Chiefs yabo Bernard Parker, Siboniso Bagaxa, Siphiwe Shabalala, George Maluleka, George Libisi. Chiefs yabo Cyril Nzama, Skarangobese, Jabu Pule, the Kaizer Chiefs that we knew, baba. Le Chiefs le no munga ifavor Chiefs. You had no choice but to sit down and watch. Yeah, le Chiefs le bawuthi nano mubhekeleli idiski you always ukuthi oh kazubani uzophuma ngehairstyle enjani. Bafika bostika ngamadai. bafika bopule bashama popcorn baqhamuka bo 10 triple anatazwane baqhinile. You know, such exciting football. I-Chiefs le yasha operation qoqa konke, thathi league, thathi Telkom knockout, thathi Nedbank Cup, thathe ini kwasani. We want that back. We want that back. That's what we want. And then mapaka lento ngizoyikhuluma la ibhlungu, but exciting also at the same time because it's something we've always wanted. This might be the last season we watch Relebohile Mofokeng play in the Betway Premiership. The next 2 games might be the last games Relebohile Mofokeng plays for Orlando Pirates. I'm happy ukuthi I'm able to utter these words with such confidence because of the beautiful season Relebohile Mofokeng has had. Started the season a bit shaky, of course, my early season waba ne-injury, waya AFCON, and then but when he came back ever since he's been a different Relebohile Mofokeng. Sakakwazi ukukora ama free kick, okwazi ukukora ngama header, ushaya ama take-in, he's shooting from outside the box, he's creating chances, he's taking on player, transitioned from a wing to number 10, and he's been doing phenomenal. That's Relebohile Mofokeng that should go to the World Cup. That's Relebohile Mofokeng that should go overseas and represent South African football and show us all why besimsupporta kangaka and why besimthanda. And the only thing that I can say khona manje is that Relebohile Mofokeng, the next 2 games, give it your all. Play for the supporters. Play for our coach from DDC that believed in you. Play for a bench. The players that believe in you. Play for management. Play for everyone. Or to Orlando Pirates. Play Mfana Githi, because this could be the last 2 games we ever get to see you. Would have been nice to see you in that number 10, but the way you perform this season, it's less likely to see you again next season. It's less likely to see you again next season. And you are definitely a contender for Player of the Season. You are definitely a contender for Player of the Season, a contender for Midfielder of the Season. We are contender for zonke lezo zinto lezo zoyi3. You go to Oswinapolis, another player, Angaz bafethu. Angaz. Mara naye there's a chance ukuthi naye this could be his last 2 games. Naye mhlamba amagame akhe okugcina lawa mhlambe nawe uyahamba overseas. Oswinapolis is too much. First season Orlando Pirates, look at what he's done. Within 1 season, he just needed 1 season. Ukusibonisa why bekumele vele a team like Orlando Pirates imsayine. Why a team as big as Kaizer Chiefs once showed interest in him. Usibonisile lo mfana ukuthi ibhola uyalazi. Usibonisile why Hugo Bruce had to call him from Polokwane City. Adlale kuBafana Bafana aye ku AFCON guy too. Now he's definitely going to the World Cup. Khona manje is fighting for the league, is fighting for Player of the Season, fighting for Goal of the Season, fighting for Player of the Season, fighting for Midfield of the Season. And esikhuluma ngomjito ongahamba overseas. Oswinapolis has been phenomenal. If anything, Orlando Pirates this season do deserve to win the league. Yabona kule season Orlando Pirates played like champions. Sharp badropila ama points but abadliwang. And it's been a very emotional season. Betway Premiership, where there were games la team yakho madrop ama points are complain. Our coach makahambe. We've seen it ngama supporter we Chiefs. Bahambile bayotoyitoya kuthi abo coach mabahambe. After that ama coach bayabuya, but winner 5 games in a row. But draw the Pirates sharp. They drop points against the Siwelele. They come back, draw against Mamelodi Sundowns. Basha is Kukune. Now they secure a spot go CAF Confederations Cup. Sesi athula futhi as ama support. Hey. No man, it is bona ukuthi bazophelela kuphi. Same thing applies. Orlando Pirates season starts. Owadu loses 2 games in a row. Sonke siyakhala kabuya uRivero. Sonke siyakhala, coach, don't fix it if it's not broken. That's how much emotions this beautiful game carries. That's how much emotions this beautiful game carries. Yabuya futhi ke Orlando Pirates idlala dominate mayiluza sibuye esikale sithi aya owadu sifuna lo, but other than that it's been a very beautiful season. And we know the coach of the season is between Owadu no Miguel Cardoso. It's between those two. Abanye nje asibabali nokubabala. And shout out to all Kaizer Chiefs supporters abangizondayo. Shout out to all Kaizer Chiefs supporters that spend time, go to my videos, swear at me, bakhulume zonke lezi zinto lezi abazikhulumayo, basho yonke lento abayishoyo, bangene nakuma live, bangibiza Slima, bangene benzeni. All of that adds to the beautiful season of football that we have. That's football for you, bafethu.